Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to make a responsive Wix website. So in order to do this, first of all, navigate to any browser on your PC and log into wix.com using your user credentials and you'll be on this page. Here, in order to create a new Wix website, click on the create new site button at the top right and you'll be navigated to this page. On this page, you can choose whether you want to set up your website using AI chat or without chat. So I'm going to choose setup without chat. Now you'll be navigated to this page which will ask you what type of website do you want to create. I'm going to choose journalist portfolio and click on continue. This will prepare your dashboard for the website and will instantly take you to this page. As you can see, this page will ask you what would you like to call your website. So I will enter a name for my website and click on continue. Now choose what are your goals for this website and click on continue. After that, choose what kind of apps you would like to be embedded with your Wix website. So I will choose these apps and click on continue. Now I will click on continue to dashboard. After I click on continue to dashboard, this will load up my website's dashboard. Here, in order to make my website responsive, I will have to make sure my website is connected to a domain. So enter your website's domain here, click on let's go, complete your domain connection. Then you can create a first blog post by clicking here. Then you can create your first post by clicking here. You can design your website by clicking on design site button and click on get started under get found on Google and get a domain name and hosting for your Wix website. So click on design site button at the top right and this will take you to this page where it will ask you how would you like to design your website. Now we can choose a template or design with AI. I'm going to click on pick a template. Now I'll be navigated to this page which will show me a list of or a variety of templates that I can choose from. So I will choose this template for example and click on the edit button. So choose any template that you like, click on edit and it will instantly open up a Wix website editor. Now you can generate details about your site by entering some details and clicking on the generate site text, but we are not going to do that. You can do that pretty easily by using AI. That is this feature. We'll skip that. Now as you can see, I have this site available. You can edit these texts anyhow you want. These are the sections of your website. Click on the small pencil icon, click that is quick edit, and you can change your section background, your strip background, the image that will be available on that section, the vector art, paragraph, title, and all the elements that will be available on that section. Click on layout and it is going to take you to this page where you can edit the layout. Now, in order to make your site responsive, you'll have to make sure you have added the elements that fit to this website. Your sections are working, your pages and menus are in shape, and you'll have to make sure your site is also responsive for mobile. So while editing the Wix website, you'll have to click on the switch to mobile button that is at the top left so you can see how your website is going to look like on a mobile phone. Now if any of these elements will be out of line or if it will be looking weird, you'll have to just click on the edit button after that element and you can successfully check whether your site is responsive for mobile phones or not. So the first step was setting up your website, that is your website's dashboard. Second step was customizing your desktop layout, that is this site layout here. You can watch another one of my videos on how to edit Wix website. The third step was making your site responsive for mobile, that is you'll have to make sure that Wix automatically optimize your site for mobile, but sometimes you may need to make manual adjustments. So make sure you do that. For instance, you might want to resize or reposition text and images so that everything fits nicely on smaller screens. You can also hide elements that don't look good on mobile by clicking that element and choosing Hide on Mobile button. This ensures your mobile visitors have a streamlined experience. Once your website is ready for both desktop and mobile, it will be time to preview your site. You can do this by clicking on the preview button at the top right of the screen. So this allows you to see how your website will appear on different devices, that is desktop, tablet, and mobile phone. As you can see, my website is looking pretty good. I can see how it's looking like on mobile phone. Now you'll have to make sure that you go through your entire site page by page, checking the layout, images and text. Pay attention to load times and how quickly your content adjusts when switching between views. I also have a pro tip for you. Always try to keep your design simple and clean to ensure fast loading times, especially on mobile phone. That's it. You have successfully created a fully responsive website using Wix. If this video helped you, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel for more web design tutorials, and drop any questions you have in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.